Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Welcome dear students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College, Standard 4th, Subject Computer, Topic 4, Calculator. So students, let's see how to open the calculator in Windows. A calculator is a machine that performs mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division quickly. Windows 7 has a built-in calculator. It looks like a regular calculator and can be used to perform simple to complex calculations. We can also use the calculator to perform scientific, statistical and programming calculations. Now let's see parts of the calculator window. The main window of the calculator contains three main parts: the menu bar, the display screen and various keys. So this is the picture of calculator window. Menu bar, display screen, memory keys, backspace key, numeric keys, clear keys, mathematical operators. Now let's learn in detail. Menu bar. The menu bar above the calculator display contains the following menus: View, Edit and Help. View. This menu lists the different calculations modes which can be used for different types of calculations. We can view previous calculations, convert units of physical quantities, add or subtract dates and use worksheets for calculations. Edit. This menu is used to copy numerical data and edit previous calculations. Help. This menu has options which explain how to use the calculator. Now next, display screen. The display screen appears right below the menu bar. It displays the value we enter for calculations and also display the result of the calculation performed. Next, memory keys. Memory keys are just below the display screen and are used to return, recall, add, subtract and clear numbers temporarily. Next, backspace key. This key is used to delete an incorrectly typed digit. Pressing the backspace key will delete the last digit that appears towards the right. Now let's see mathematical operators. These keys are used to perform mathematical operations. So we see now button and their uses. Addition sign used to add two or more values. Subtraction sign used to find the difference between two or more values. Multiplication sign used to multiply two or more values. Division sign used to perform division. Percent sign used to calculate parts per 100 of the given value. Square root sign used to find the square root of the given number. Equal to sign used to display the result of mathematical calculations performed using the calculator. Fraction sign used to divide 1 by the specified number. Positive negative sign used to convert a positive number to negative and vice versa. Now see this picture. In this we see programmer mode, statistic mode, standard mode and scientific mode. Now let's learn clear keys. While performing a calculation, we may want to delete the last typed number or erase the entire calculation. The clear keys can be used to delete an entire number consisting of multiple digits and delete a calculation being performed. Now let's see using the history function. The history function allows us to view and modify previous performed calculations and their results. It is helpful in complex calculations as it allows us to see each step of the calculation with its result. So students, I hope you all understood. So keep learning something new every day.